The Pool Payday Rewards Vault can fail to open when the app has a temporary loading problem, an outdated app version, or a connection issue. The fastest fix is to restart the app, check the connection, and then clear or refresh the app data if the vault still will not load. By the end, you'll know which fixes to try first and when the problem is more likely to be on Pool Payday's side. Start by completely closing Pool Payday instead of simply leaving it in the background. Open your phone's recent apps screen, swipe Pool Payday away, and launch it again. Then open the Rewards Vault and check whether the page loads normally. If it still does not open, check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data to a different Wi-Fi network. A connection can be strong enough for the main game while still failing to load a specific rewards page. Next, check whether Pool Payday has an update available. On Android, open the Google Play Store, search for Pool Payday, and look for an update button. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check the available updates. Install an available update before testing the Rewards Vault again. If you are using Android and the vault remains stuck, clear the app cache. Open Settings, go to Apps, select Pool Payday, open Storage, and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary files without deleting the app itself. Reopen Pool Payday and test the Rewards Vault. On iPhone, there is no equivalent Clear Cache button for individual apps in the same way. Instead, you can close the app, restart the iPhone, and check for an available Pool Payday update. Also check whether other parts of Pool Payday are working. If the game, account, and other menus load normally, but the Rewards Vault alone refuses to open, the problem may be specific to that feature rather than your phone. If none of these steps work, avoid repeatedly reinstalling the app before confirming that your account is properly connected. If Pool Payday uses an account login, make sure you know the correct sign-in details before removing the app. The key fixes are simple. Restart Pool Payday, test another connection, install the latest available update, and clear the cache on Android. If the Rewards Vault still fails while everything else works, check Pool Payday's official support channels for a service-side issue. Try those steps in that order, and if this fixed the Rewards Vault, like the video and subscribe for more Pool Payday troubleshooting guides.